What are X-rays? X-rays are the electromagnetic waves having very short wavelength in the range of 1 to 10 angstroms. So these are the wavelengths in meter. X-rays fall somewhere over here. Gamma rays will have very small wavelength, and radio waves will have very large wavelength. X-rays are the waves having the wavelength of the order of 1 to 10 angstroms here. Why X-rays are used in the study of crystal physics? We know in a crystal, atoms are arranged following certain geometrical pattern, and atoms form a closely packed structure to get minimum energy. These atoms are assumed to be spherical in shape. So when these spheres are kept close to each other, then some void space remains between them. This void space can be utilized as a slit. So we can have the atomic plane passing through the centers of these atoms, and another atomic plane passing through the centers of these atoms, and these are the slits which will be placed very close to each other. So this crystal structure can be utilized as a diffraction grating. Diffraction grating is an arrangement of number of slits which lie very close to each other. So we will be having number of slits which will be lying very close to each other. So in a diffraction experiment, this crystal is going to be used as a diffraction grating. Now, why X-rays are used in this diffraction experiment? If you find the width of the slit which will be of the order of diameter of the atom, and diameter of the atom is of the order of few angstroms, 1 or 2 angstroms. So in order to perform the diffraction experiment, we need waves having the wavelength of this order, that is of the order of 1 or 2 angstroms. So as the separation between the atoms used as a slit is of the order of 1 or 2 angstroms, we will get observable pattern if we use wave having the wavelength of the same order, and wavelength of X-rays is of that order. Therefore we use X-rays if we want to perform the diffraction experiment when crystal is used as a diffraction grating. But why are we performing the X-ray diffraction experiment? The results of these X-ray diffraction experiments can be analyzed to find out this d, width of this slit, that is the distance between the centers of these atoms, interplanar spacing. So this interplanar spacing can be found out by analyzing the diffraction pattern. So we can find out the interplanar spacing in different directions by changing the direction of the crystal which is being used as the diffraction grating. So we can find out this d, we can find out this d, we can find out this d, and by finding out the interplanar spacings in different directions, we can actually find out the crystal structure, the arrangement of atoms inside the crystal. So that is the purpose of doing X-ray diffraction experiments. And why are we using X-rays only? Because the width of the slit that is being used as a grating is comparable to wavelength of X-rays. So therefore X-rays are selected for performing the diffraction experiment.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.